California's Central Valley gets some seriously hot weather during the summer months and takes humidity levels up to 75%. Or much higher than this. Over time, the heat and humidity will contribute to the deterioration of the asphalt shingles. And that results in a frequent repair of the roof. Since the hot weather is typically getting 100 degrees, heat rages and will eventually turn into a larger problem. Make sure to check out all shingles to ensure that all the needs to repair are listed. A roof inspection is a must after the hot and heavy summer month. California's climates contributed to damage to roofing materials. For homeowners, metal roofing is the popular choice for durability, lasting, and energy efficiency, while other roofing materials will break down when exposed to high heat. A good roof is an indication of safe and comfortable habitat. However, no roofing materials last forever. And being a homeowner means you watch out for various things which might and happen. Need a recommendation on your roofing system? Call Rancho Cordova Roofing Pro to expand all your affordable options for your roofs.